We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
So right now I'm going to be showing you and telling you what I decided to do for my planning out my Christmas dinner. So furthermore, let's get into it. You already seen a little clip of me planning some stuff, write some stuff down, and my actual little planner. But I will be doing a whole different planning out situation, like doing an actual list later on within this week of Vlogmas. So stay tuned and be lookout for that. So right now I'm just going to be planning out for the Christmas dinner. So this right here is my little planner, my little personal one, small one, and this is Friday, Christmas Eve, and this is Saturday, Christmas Day. So Friday on Christmas Day, I am actually going to be making like my collard greens, making my yam, and also mac and cheese. And then on Christmas Eve, I will be doing the. So basically, for Christmas Day, I will be making my mashed potatoes, maybe some gravy, my brown gravy, doing some other stuff. But that's mostly about it that I'm thinking of for right now. Oh yeah, and also I'll be doing the chicken, my burger chicken that I'm going to be making for my meat. And of course dinner rolls that I'll be doing on Christmas Day, so not that much to do. If I have anything else that I decided I wanted to do, then I will be showing you that later on throughout the week of what else I decided to do. So that is mostly about it for my Christmas planning out my Christmas dinner. I hope y'all decide y'all plan out your Christmas dinner as well, because trust me guys, it's going to be very helpful and a key point to making just the Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, whatever it is for you cooking in general, very smoothly. So yeah guys, for me, like I said, it is a really big key point just for me to plan out my Christmas dinner and the list for my Christmas dinner as well, to get everything processed so that way on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day I can have a smooth, as they say, ride of me cooking and knowing what to do on certain days and certain times for those Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. I can just have a good holiday, just have some more fun, Christmas music playing, cooking, having a good vibe, okay? Because every holiday for me this year was for me to just have an easy, fun, and quick, smooth, stress-free ride, seriously. So I hope next year and this year, for Christmas right now, and also for next year, you do try to do the same thing as well. Have a smooth and easy process, stress-free related, for you getting Christmas or just getting the holidays done. So guys, I really do hope you try this stress-free holiday. Try your best to plan everything out for your Christmas dinner and other holidays in general. So like I said, you can have a stress-free holiday. You have to make it that, and be consistent about it every holiday. Because trust me, for me, I love it. It's a blessing that I can have a stress-free holiday, because that's just what I try to do in practice. So get in your planner, get stuff done, write some things down, go to the store, and what you gotta do. And those Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, you can have a stress-free holiday. That sounded good, sounded right. You got to get in there with me, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna go catch you guys on the next Vlogmas, which will be Vlogmas Day 9. Super excited. Catch you guys on the next one. Love you. And as I always say, this is Valicious. Catch you guys on the next one. Christmas content Vlogmas.